Chicks and ducks and geese better scurry when I take you out in the Surrey, when I take you out in the Surrey with a fringe on top.
This is our new buggy. Churston Golf Club have just got 6 new buggies. We've got them to help members and visitors alike. Members that they can enjoy their golf even more. For members that perhaps are playing 2 or 3 times a week and want to take the weight off their feet for one of them, they're more than welcome to use them in friendly golf for £10. That's £5 each. And for our visitors that come and play as a green fee players, they can hire them for £20 a buggy, £10 per each. One battery charge will take you right round. Not only that, but if you wanted to go round again, it would do another 18.
Are we going to do buggy racing?
No.
Oh.
We might do a red arrow display down the first or something like that, with flares coming out the back for New Year's Eve or something like that.
Little Surrey with a fringe on the top.